Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. At first, I'll tell you about the poet. Adrian Rick, 1929, was born in Baltimore, Maryland, USA. She is widely known for her involvement in the contemporary women's movement as a poet and theorist. I think you understand involvement means he had participated in contemporary means at the same time when women's movement was going on. She was involved as or she has participated as a poet and theorist. She has published 19 volumes of poetry. 19 volumes of poetry has been published by her, three collections of essays and other writings. A strong resistance to racism and militarism echoes through her work. A strong resistance means she was against the racism, means the distinction that was based on race या प्रजातियों के बेसिस पर जो रेसिस्टेंस था and militarism echoes. Militarism means simply here you can take the meaning military administration. Military administration echoes means the reflection of sound, the reflection of commands that was given by them. Through her work, she tried to show a strong resistance to racism and militarism echo. By means of this one, simply I would like to tell you something about Aunt Jennifer. She herself was leading a married life. She was burdened by some restrictions upon her by her husband, and the poem that is written by her, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. She was painting tigers on the panels. On the panels, there is direct contrast to her own miserable condition, to her married life, and the activities done by her tigers or her painting. The poem Aunt Jennifer's Tigers addresses the constraints of married life a woman experiences. Whatever a woman experiences in her life, the constraints means the restrictions or bonds or pressure, बंधन या दबाव जो उसके ऊपर था वो एक मैरिड लाइफ में जो एक वोमेन एक्सपीरियंस करती है, that has been addressed or described by the poet Adrian Rick. Just see how the poetry goes. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across a screen. Prance means they run speedily. They run fast. Aunt Jennifer ke tigers, they run fast across a screen. Means on the panel on which she was trying the painting of the tigers. Bright topaz denizens of a word of green, bright, chamkile. Topaz means transparent yellow precious stone. Means पीले रंग का जो पुखराज होता है. Denizens means dwellers या निवासी लोग. Here another meaning is also given in the book. A person, an animal or plant that lives, grows or is often found in a particular place. So they are the dwellers of, they are bright in color. They look like yellow precious stone. transparent yellow precious stone, that is Pukhras, Pila Pukhras. They reside in the green forest. In the word of green means उस हरी भरी दुनिया में रहते हैं. They do not fear the men beneath the tree. They do not fear the men beneath the tree, means under the shade of tree, the men who are sitting, they are not afraid of them. They pace in sleek, chivalric certainty. They pace means they run fast. In sleek means elegant or well groomed. Elegant or well groomed, बहुत ही शानदार ढंग से. Chivalric means full of bravery. Full of bravery, honorable and brave. Honorable and brave. Certainty यानी निश्चितता के साथ. They keep on running without being afraid of the men who are sitting under the shade of the tree. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool. Aunt Jennifer की fingers जो है are vibrating or moving about through her wool. उसके wool के से होकर वो continuously move करती हैं. Find even the ivory needle hard to pull. Even Aunt Jennifer find it difficult. जो ivory की बनी हुई needle होती है या elephant teeth की बनी हुई needle होती है, she finds it hard to pull out. उसे खींचने में जो है difficulty होती है. The massive weight of uncle's wedding band. The massive means very huge. Weight of uncle's wedding. Constraints or restrictions that was put on her married life because of her marriage. Uncle की wedding का band जो है, I think you people can understand. Band means just try to understand. Restrictions or constraints that is put upon her